Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on the Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you Solidworks feature tutorial, and today I will show you how to use Extruded Boss. Before we start, let's take a look at this first. Hello everyone, if you're interested to make a machine like this for your own project, this digital product is suitable for you. Just go to Koniago bio, click this, and click the next link. You can buy a machine concept or 3D part standard or ebook. So what are you waiting for? Buy it now. Go to top plan. Now you have sketch feature. You're free to make a sketch. You can use line, circle, spline, rectangle, or 3-point arc, ellipse, slot, or polygon. But in this case, I use rectangle like this. Click from this point to this point. Let's make a dimension. Make this one dimension. Make this line length is 100, and this line length is now go to feature, active Extruded Boss. Now you have a parameter. You can change the direction. You can choose blind, or up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body, or mid plane. Or you can check the direction to make the another extrude like this. See? But in this case, I just choose one. Now make the extrude parameter is 100 and click OK. See? Now you make a part like this. I think that's the end tutorial. Next tutorial I will explain the first boss. Thanks for watching. See ya.